Just don't sleep until you complete Zelda. Oh wow, what a dummy. Is he dead? Yeah, he's gone. Dad's gonna kill me. All the internet I use. Oh my goodness. Bananas. Clint Stevens still with the stream. Shit. How was that not good? Fuck it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 don't. You there. Did I win? Did I actually win that by like blocking the shit out of him? Ah, fuck him. Bye bye. Oh yeah, we're big now. So I gotta go do a thing. What happened? Okay. Well, we gotta wait for him to roll around again. Because I'm a jerk to kids. Fuck this guy. He's gonna come any second now. Get fucked, get fucked, get fucked, get fucked. Why? No, come back. Let me kill you. Shield drop. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it! Yes, finally! Jeez. At least it was on a cool one. The shield drop. Sorry if I hurt anyone's ears. Like hot as shit right now. Can I pull him by the nips? Yeah, boy. Pull him by the nips. Shit. This is literally where I was at on my... Oops, shit. Gotta love him. Rip. Oh, what the fuck was I saying? I didn't need to use that on the Phantom Ganon. Can I just hit this, please? Thank you. Oh boy. Show me the money. Please? Thank you. Fuck. Why? Too tired for this. Stupid anus looking thing. Oh man. No, I need to pee. I'm not moving either though. Fuck it. Let me go down. I wanna. Let me kill myself. Please. Thank you. Why? 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 Then again, I kind of don't wanna because Clint Stevens, I don't know if he goes pee. Need to make it to at least 5. I've come too far. It's okay, Rachel. You go pee. It's okay. Shit. That's pretty good. Uh-oh. No, please? Yes. Just made it. That was fucking close. Now I actually feel alone.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody
for my own. Hello, Trump for dictatorship. That's a good one. Oh, this isn't even timed. Why am I hauling? Whatever. Shit. Oh shit, he's exploding. I guess it didn't matter. Oh, dude, we made it to 5, though. I can't just leave it like this, though. You know I gotta beat this. Oh. I got roasted.
My nigga, you just got roasted! Yeah! My nigga, you just got roasted!
No. Fuck you.
All the girls dump your feet like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. 'Cause it
I like how he slowly emerges up. Smug ass grin. Pretty trashy. I think it could go either way. She could look really gross, or she could look actually decent. Bet there's fan art. Fuck me. You like this, boy? You like all of these lumps? Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Son of a fucking... Thank you. Holy crap. Oh, I missed. No, please. tried to shield. Thank you. Thank you for the follow-up. That was really sweet of you. Fuck! Are you fucking serious? Come on. Give me a break. Damn.